Hello there, thanks for joining us. Tropical Cyclone Yvette, this system over here has become the first cyclone of the season, and we've still got heavy rain and squally storms bringing a risk of flooding to parts of the Kimberley and areas of the Northern Territory. Over the next couple of days, those heavy rain areas will push further inland with a tropical low. We've got an active monsoon which is causing all of the cloud here and those two areas of low pressure, the tropical low over the Kimberley and Tropical Cyclone Yvette, which formed yesterday, and that is expected to start moving towards the coast of Western Australia from tomorrow, and it may make landfall on Christmas weekend. Starting out with the low over the Kimberley, it's heading in a southwesterly direction, which is taking it away from the top end of the Northern Territory. We should start to see a bit of a break in the rain there from Friday, although a severe weather warning is still current for inland western parts of the Northern Territory, and flood watches remain in place in some areas. As the low moves further southwest, the heavy rain and squally storms will continue over the Kimberley, spreading into adjacent areas of the interior and the eastern Pilbara. We're likely to see daily rainfall totals exceeding 100 millimetres right through into the weekend, and that rain spreading further south, not only through interior parts of Western Australia, but northern areas of South Australia over the Christmas weekend as well. So with a risk of flooding continuing, we've got flood watches and warnings in place, and roads may become cut off, isolating some communities in the area over the Christmas weekend. For Tropical Cyclone Yvette, it's spinning over 800 kilometres off the coast, so it's not posing any direct threat to the mainland at the moment, but it's slow moving, staying in its position through Thursday. Models then indicating that it should start to move towards the southeast on Friday and the weekend, and that brings it closer to the Western Australian north coast on the Christmas weekend. At this stage, there's a bit of uncertainty as to how intense it will be and exactly where it will move over the Christmas weekend, but the most likely area for landfall will be the East Pilbara and the West Kimberley sometime between Christmas Eve and Boxing Day. So we are looking at a threat of destructive wind gusts, very heavy rain and widespread flooding as this system moves south, bringing more rain into already saturated catchments. With updates coming from that cyclone over the next few days, you can find the latest track maps on weatherzone.com.au. You can also get the latest severe weather warnings, flood watches and flood warnings for the system moving through the Kimberley at the moment. And you can also get the latest warning information by downloading our free mobile weather app today.